Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village. Today we're going to be talking about crock pot cooking with an American classic, the All-American Pot Roast. Alright, first you're going to start with 3 pounds of beef. Use a good chuck. You can get this at any grocery store for a reasonable price. Go ahead, and then we're going to, we got our chuck in there. Now we're going to go ahead, and this recipe calls for water. I prefer beef stock. You can get this on the soup aisle. Just go ahead and throw that on there. Now the recipe does call for 1 cup. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of beef stock. So actually what I've done is I've taken 3/4 of a cup of beef stock, and I'm going to take a little bit of wine. You can use a good Shiraz or Merlot, and it just brings out the flavor. That's about for the cup. You know what, I don't even like that. We're going to throw a little bit more on there just for flavor. All right, then you go ahead and add your carrots. You know, nicely sliced carrots. You can do them strips or however you like to do them. This is the best way if you ask me. So we're just going to go ahead and throw those in there.
So today we're using 6 carrots.
Right. Okay, and today we're going to be using 6 carrots. Go ahead and mix those around in there real good. The recipe also calls for 6 onions. We're going to go ahead and we've cut them in quarters today. Once again, you can do them however you like. So you can get those thrown in there. Right, and 6 potatoes. Potatoes are a very, very important part of this meal. Go ahead and throw those in there. We've cut ours in cubes. This is the best recommended way to do them. Get that good in there. All right, and then we're going to salt and pepper to taste. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I love kosher salt, and we're just going to throw a lot of that in there. Okay, right. Then a little bit of pepper. Okay. All right. And there's one more step that you can do, or you don't have to if you don't want to. I like to throw a little bit of rosemary in there. All right. Get that in there. All right. Put your top on. Get that on there good. You want to set it to low.